Hello devs, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn npm package and how to install npm package and how to use it npm package in our node.js application. So this is my file index.js. So firstly, what is npm? So npm stands for node package manager. Node package manager. So how it works? So for example, if I gave you a number and ask you to check whether the given number is even number or not, so how do you check? So I simply gave a number, let's say 10. So how to check given number is even number or not? So simply write the logic. If my given number is divisible by 2, it's a even number. So true. So it divisible by 2, it is a even number. So because it is a true. So this is how you can find given number is even or not. So you can also check given number is even or not using a npm package. So you simply go for Google and search for npm and go for first site, and this is npm official website. So you can search the packages you want. So I want to uh, check even. So I am searching for package check even. So there is a number of packages. To check even number, you have to choose one. So see, this one returns true if the given number is even and it is an integer that does not exceed javascript maximum safe integer. So go into this and you can see the full documentation of this npm package. So this is my npm package name, and this is how to install this command. You can install using this command and copy this command, and you can also see how to install with npm. So copy this command and paste it. So array this one, and before installing npm package you need to initialize the npm in our folder. So this is my folder. So I don't have any npm packages. So I need to initialize the npm here. So you simply initialize using npm init. So this will initialize the npm uh, in our folder. So simply run this. So package name, nothing, enter version, description. If you have a description, you need to enter description. Otherwise click enter. Entry point, node.js, test command, enter. Git repository, there is no need to mention git repository. Enter keywords, optional. Enter other, if you have other, you can enter their name. You can skip this one and skip. And so if it is okay to yes, okay. So you can see a package.json is created in my root folder, and you can see the npm is initialized successfully. So close this package and clear our console. And now you simply paste the npm command here, which is previously copied from npm package. So install, click on enter. So my npm package installed successfully. So how to use it? Again, go for npm package official documentation. So you can see uses. So how you can use the package? So simply import our npm package. So using this command. So let's is even. Also you can change package name, check even. So I want to require check even. So imported my npm package successfully. So how to use it? So this is the function to check whether the given number is even or not. So if it is even, it returns true, else it returns false. So 0 is not even number, so it returns false, and 2 is even number, but it returns false. Why? Let's check. So console dot log. Okay, check even. So you have to check even number. Uh, you simply pass our number here. Let's say 10. So let's run our code node. So let's clear our console and node index. And you can see my given number is true. So you can see there is no logic and there is no lines of code, just one line of code. We can check the given number is even or not. So let's take another number. Let's take 2, and it also returns false, true. So this is a human error. Okay, this gives true. So let's check for another number 5. So 5 is not even number, so it return false. So let's take for bigger number. Let's take 420 4562. Let's run our code. So it is true because 4562 is even number. Let's change our code number. So this gives false because my 4536 is not even number. So this is how you can check given number is even or not. So another task is how to check given number is odd or not, odd number or not. So simply go for packages, search for package, check odd. And you can see there are a number of packages to check odd number or not. So why check if something is odd? Simply you can do it with the AI. So you can choose one library, one package. So go for this one. There is no documentation. So for some packages there is no documentation because they are in development. They are not completed yet. So look for another one. So this is also incomplete documentation. and it is also under development. Even check even odd checker. So you can see package name and how to install. Let's copy this one. Let's clear our console and copy the command. So started installing my npm package and it is successfully installed. So how you can use it? How to import package? So go for uh, so you can import this using this line. So if you want in this package there is two packages. You can also check even number and also odd number. So I also install a package for even number. I'm simply uh, importing is odd, check odd. So require even odd checker. So I'm importing a function from each check odd function from even odd checker. Let's follow our documentation. Is odd. Okay, let's remove this log and check odd is odd. So we have to pass a number to find the given number is odd number or not. So let's take a number 10 and clean. Sorry, why not index, and we can see false. So 10 is not odd number, so it gives false. Let's take uh, odd number and check, and it returns 2 because 3 is odd number. So let's take a random number and you can see the given number is not odd number. Let's change it to 3. So it is a now odd number. You can see true. So so this is how you can install and use npm package in node.js. So let us take another example, another npm package to check the given number is prime number or not. So search for package, uh, check prime. So let's there is a number of packages. So simply select one package. It is incomplete. Look for another package. Yeah. You can also check given number is prime number or co-prime or get primes. So this is how you can use to check prime number. So let's simply copy this install command and run our command in our terminal. So started installing. So installed successfully. Let's clear our console and let's clean our code and how to import. So this is how you can import. Let's say constant import is prime function from require sigma js primes package. So let's check my given number is prime or not. Is prime. I'm taking a number 20. So let's run our code, and you can see 20 is not a prime number, it gives false. Let's take another number and let's run again. It's also not a prime number. Let's take 2, and 2 is 2 is a prime number. So this is how you can check prime number.